Hello everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's discussion, we are going to see the physical properties of group 15 elements, and this is the second video on this series. Okay, so if you haven't watched the first part, then go and check it out. So let's start with the physical properties. So the physical properties of group 15 elements is like that. Nitrogen is a non-metal, phosphorus is a non-metal, arsenic and antimony, they both are metalloids, and bismuth is a metal. Okay, so this is one of the physical property, and the other important thing is that all the members of group 15 are polyatomic except nitrogen. Nitrogen is a diatomic. Okay, and all the other members of group 15 are polyatomic, but nitrogen is a diatomic molecule. So, and if we are studying the physical property only here, so let's see few more things. In P block in group 15, down the group metallic character increases. As we can see, the upper two elements are non-metal, then metalloids, and then a metal. So down the group metallic character increases. Okay, and because of this, melting point and boiling point also increases. So let's see why nitrogen is a very unique element in this group. Nitrogen shows anomalous behavior. Or you can say, and nitrogen shows different sort of characters as the other members of the group because of its small size. Nitrogen does not have d and f orbitals. It has high electronegativity. Electronegativity is very high for nitrogen. Okay, and one more thing, nitrogen does not show allotropes. All the other members of group 15 shows allotropes, but nitrogen does not show allotropes. So the question is why nitrogen does not show allotropes. The reason is that all the other members can be found in liquid and solid state, but nitrogen generally found in gas state. Okay, and we know that an element or an atom which is in gaseous state, it does not have a crystalline structure, and if it does not have a crystalline structure, it can't be having the allotropes, because allotropes is what, two or more compounds having the same atomic number, same atomic mass, but different chemical composition. So in the case of nitrogen generally found as a gas, so nitrogen does not show any allotropes, but all the other members of this group show allotropes. Okay, and there is one more thing for nitrogen cannot increase its covalency more than 4. Nitrogen cannot increase its covalency more than 4 because it does not have d and f orbitals. Others have d and f orbital, but nitrogen does not have d and f orbitals, so it cannot increase its covalency more than 4. For example, NF3 is possible, but NF5 is not possible. Okay, this is not possible because in this case nitrogen is showing 5 covalency, which it does not show. Okay, due to its small size, it has this limitation. So earlier I told you that down the group metallic character increases, and as the metallic character is increasing, melting point and boiling point is increasing. So now tell me, which has the greater boiling point, NH3 or pH3? Okay, so what I've told you earlier, according to that, down the group metallic character is increasing, hence the boiling point should also increase. So according to what I told you earlier, you must be saying that pH3 has a higher boiling point than NH3, but this is not the case. The real answer is that NH3 has higher boiling point than PH3 because in NH3 there is hydrogen bonding. In NH3 there is hydrogen bonding, hence this has more the bonds are much more stronger, hence to break this bond you have to provide larger amount of energy. So boiling point of ammonia or NH3 is greater than PH3. This is an exception. Okay, so this is a physical property of group 15, a very basic few physical properties which I've told you. Okay, so in the next video I will tell you the chemical properties, and the chemical properties are very important: oxidation state and reactivity toward hydrogen, oxygen, halogen and others thing. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. Okay, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, bye. See you all in the next video.